It's a silent truth happening from the current downturn.
There are 3 tractors up here that I bought on auction. I'm not going to tell you which ones, but they came off of suicide. The reason that the farmers are no longer there, the reason I've got the tractors.
An uptick in the amount of equipment coming to auction as a result of farmer suicide.
If anybody needs to talk, call your friends, call us. We don't need to sell you anything. I don't want to buy more tractors that way.